Hey everyone, welcome back to WeTech Academy. If your computer or laptop is getting unusually hot, slowing down, or even shutting down unexpectedly, this video is for you. Today I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide to troubleshoot overheating issues, whether you're using an old Celeron or Core i3 processor or even a high-end latest gen CPU. Let's get started. First up, let's understand why computers overheat. Some of the main causes include dust buildup blocking airflow, poor ventilation or placement of the device, old or dried out thermal paste, high CPU or GPU workload, and a faulty or insufficient cooling system. Next, let's check for overheating symptoms. Is your fan running too loud? Does the device feel too hot to touch? Is your PC slowing down or lagging? Or are you experiencing sudden shutdowns? If you said yes to any of these, your device might be overheating. A quick tip: use software like WW Monitor or Core Temp to check CPU temperatures. Ideally, your CPU should stay below 85 degrees Celsius under heavy load. Step 3 is cleaning your PC or laptop internals. If you're using a desktop, turn off and unplug your PC, open the side panel and use compressed air to remove dust from fans, heat sinks, and the power supply. Then reassemble and test. For laptops, turn off and unplug it, remove the bottom panel, if accessible, and use compressed air to clean dust from vents and fans. If the fan is accessible, clean it with a small brush. And remember, if you're not comfortable opening your laptop, seek professional help. Now, let's move on to reapplying thermal paste. Start by removing the old thermal paste using isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber cloth. Apply a pea-sized drop of high-quality thermal paste on the CPU, reinstall the heatsink, and tighten it evenly. Another key step is improving airflow and ventilation. For laptops, place them on a cooling pad or use a laptop stand to allow proper airflow. For desktop PCs, keep them in an open, well-ventilated area, and consider adding extra case fans for better airflow. Finally, monitor and reduce high workloads. Close unnecessary apps running in the background, update drivers and BIOS for better efficiency, and underclock your CPU if overheating persists. If all else fails, consider upgrading your cooling system, and there you have it. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce overheating problems and keep your computer running smoothly. Whether you have an older machine or the latest processor, heat issues can still occur, but now you know how to fix them. So what method helped you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Catch you in the next video.